Need more storage for your Lorex NVR? Most Lorex NVRs, like the LHV2 series, use standard 3.5-inch SATA HDDs. Make sure the drive is rated for 24/7 surveillance, like a Seagate Skyhawk or WD Purple. First, power down your NVR. Then, open the case. Some models have toolless bays, others require a screwdriver. Connect the HDD to the SATA port and the power cable. Secure the drive in the bay and close it up. Now power on the NVR. To format the drive, use a monitor connected to the NVR via HDMI and navigate to the Storage menu, then select Format Disk. A quick format is usually fine, but a full format ensures data integrity. Alternatively, advanced users can pre-format the drive to NTFS using a computer. Back up any existing footage before formatting to avoid data loss. Remember to match the drive capacity with the NVR's max capacity. They commonly support up to 16 terabits per bay, but some new models support up to 20 terabits. With your new drive installed and formatted, let's optimize your recording settings. Choose between continuous recording for full-time capture or motion-triggered recording to save space. Optimize your resolution and frame rates. Dropping from 4K to 1080p and using 15 to 30 FPS can significantly extend storage. Enable H.265 compression to further reduce file sizes by up to 50% compared to H.264. Regularly check the drive's health via the NVR's smart tools and set up automatic overwrites to manage capacity. Also consider the trend towards hybrid and cloud storage. Lorex is increasingly incorporating AI for smarter recording based on threat levels. Cloud hybrid models allow off-site backups, reducing reliance on physical HDDs. Future advancements include NVMe SSD support for faster speeds and integration with IoT ecosystems for automated storage expansions. Be mindful of cybersecurity risks associated with cloud storage and prioritize encrypted storage protocols.